Come with me as I volunteer to walk rescue dogs, and finally, I will be sharing with you guys my experience. So let's go! Hi everyone, it's Kath. I'm on my way to Makati Dog and Cat Hospital. I usually arrive here around 7:45 a.m. And ang saya kasi kahit weekdays, ang dami talagang volunteers. And nag-start na din yung orientation at exactly 8 a.m. For cat lovers, don't worry guys, they also have cute rescued cats na open for foster and adoption. And finally, lumabas na din ang mga super duper cutie energetic dogs. You can pick which dog would you like to join you for a walk. As for me, I picked her. She's a Wishy, super small and cutie dog. She is open for adoption guys. She will be the one joining me for a walk today. Then, nandito na tayo sa exciting part. Nag-walk na tayo for the dogs and ilang steps pa lang talaga si Wishy umiyak. Kaya ayan, binuhat ko na talaga siya at sobrang saya naman talaga niya, oh. After a few steps, nag-stop over muna kami sa BDO for a quick break ng mga dogs. And yan, si Wishy, gustong-gusto niya yan, yung kinakamot-kamot siya. Then, nag-walk na kami papunta sa second stop. Sobrang energetic niya talaga guys. Ikot siya ng ikot kaysa sobrang kulit niya. Ayan, natanggal na yung tali niya na para bang gusto niya nang kumawala. And ang saya-saya niya naman, kitang-kita naman dito talaga. This is our second stop. Dito lang nag-chill yung mga dogs and water break ng mga chikiting. Kaya ayan, kulit-kulit lang muna sila. And yan si Wishy, akala mo tao kung umupo talaga, sobrang chill. And I met Moose and Maximus na siya guys, adopted na siya. Siya yung first ever dog na nilakad ko dito sa Ampon Alaga. Tuloy pa rin talaga kami sa pagtakbo na hindi ko na alam kung ako ba yung nilalakad niya o siya. Dito yung last stop namin. Dito natin papakainin yung mga dogs. Dito din sila maglalaro. 1 hour yung time natin dito. So, kakain lang sila, chill-chill, laro-laro, ganyan-ganyan. Dinistribute na yung mga foods and ayan, ang cute ni Wishy. Gutom na gutom siya. Simot na simot niya yung pagkain. And ayan, after kumain, naglalaro-laro lang, siksik dyan sa mga yan. And after mag-chill and everything, mag-play ganyan, nagpakarga na yan. Almost half ng lakad namin pabalik. Kinarga ko na talaga si Wishy kasi gusto na niyang kinakarga. If you want to join, just check Ampon Alaga on their IG. They will be posting G-forms sa mga willing mag-walk ng mga dogs. Guys, let's promote adoption. They are all available for adoption and foster. Adoption is free guys, so let's support, adopt, don't shop. So that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!